2512 release of Simcenter 3D Additive Manufacturing introduces height-dependent process parameters that enable you to adjust the print layer thickness at different heights. Until now, process parameters could only be adjusted in the X or Y planes. Now you have the freedom to adjust the surface roughness in the Z direction, potentially reducing the total print time. In the Managed Height-Dependent parameter, you can define the height of the part at which each parameter set will be used. In this case, we define a 40 micron process up to 275 millimeters and a 20 micron process from 275 millimeters until the top. After the height-dependent parameter set has been created, it can be selected together with the standard parameter sets for any specimen or support, allowing you to improve the surface roughness in key areas or speed up the print in less critical areas.